Hello, magandang hapon. Welcome to Tarubs at Home. Today I'm preparing ginisang munggo with love. See? Yeah. At first, we're gonna make pakulu-kulo ang munggo, and then after that, we'll prepare the ingredients. Okay? And I'll update you. All right, let's see. All right. And our munggo beans are almost ready. Okay, yan na po. We're gonna start preparing our tomato, onion, garlic, and the meat. And dapat wet pepper. So habang while we're waiting for the munggo, we're preparing our ricados. Ricados. Right. This is the pork meat. Right. It's a bit bloody, so for me, no need to cut it too short. There's a little portion on me. Okay, I'm gonna wash it later. Yeah, ganyan lang. Ganyan na kalaki. Be generous. Masyado malaki na yan. Gonna cut it again. Nope. Okay, after preparing your meat, put tayo ng chopping board and knife. Okay, for the vegetable, I'm gonna use this one. You want a knife? Siguro I'll get it prepared for one. Yan, isang buong garlic. Onion and one full of tomato, right? Slice in tomato, right? Just a quick one. Yan lang. Medyo mukha nyo na ako. Siguro mga dalawa din. Para lang madaling igisa. Just to look at. Oops. Okay. Something like that. That's it. Then onion. Ayan na. Dapat pag naghihiwa kayo, with love of course. And be generous on your ricados. Dating sa yan ang ipapasarap eh. Yan ang masarap sa yung pagkain. Right? Kung may gusto kayo mahaba pag itong igisa ko. Well done, lang. Make sure you don't enjoy yourself. Chop in. But this one's too big, so I need to be fortunate talaga. Yeah. Right. Set aside natin for later. And then bawang, right? Okay, bawang. Cut on top. Water, and that's it. I'm gonna squash it. That's it. I always watch my dahan ko siyang pan. Alright, now we're starting to cook. So make sure we heat this one. And while waiting for the mungus to be thoroughly cooked, we'll start to prepare our meat. Okay, meat in. Para lumambot, until siya magmantika. Okay, while waiting for the meat to tender, mag-prepare tayo ng ating kangkong leaves for, kasi wala akong makita ang pareha. So I think it's better to put some any green leafy vegetable on top of it, alright, just for garnish. Alright, medyo simula tayo mag-gisa na. Let's start steak. Alright, onion in, sibuyas in. Set natin yung karne. Tapos isa natin yung gulay yung onion. Right, doing this like this. And then 2 seconds, garlic in. Alam po, madali lang po pagluto. Just easy to cook. Ayan. Gawin mo na saglit. Pag lumabas yung amoy ng bawang, lagyan na natin kamatis. Alright. For a while. Kapag hintay, sasayaw-sayaw muna dapat. Alright. Ayan, medyo maamoy na yung bawang. Luto na. Kaya, tomato in. Alright. Tingnan lang natin until it is cooked. Alright. For the isa na lang natin. Mix natin with the meat. Pwede natin season with salt. Salt in. Then pepper in. Paminta lang po, paminta. Pepper and salt. Habang ginigisa natin mo. Para may kulang. Siyempre, mas masarap kung may patis. Sisunod may patis. Alright. Kailangan itaas yung usok. Mag-aalam yung fire alarm. Alright. We're good. Nagisa na natin maigi. You already saute it. Make sure igisa mo yun na maigi mga sir. And it's okay na para ilagay yung ating munggo. And munggo is also okay. So yun in. Munggo in. It's easy to cook. Napakasaya pong magluto. Hirap. Then, konti pang water. Put some water until it dry. For me, I want some sabaw. May sabaw dapat para masarap. May konti hinihigop. Yung kamatis is fine na maluluto din yun later on. That's my own version, right? More water. Alright, nice. That's look nice. Yeah, look nice. It's up to mamaya with extra rice. I think I need more pepper. Pepper. Oh, Wala na yata tayong papel. Yeah, we don't have it anymore. Oh, we have it. Wala na. While waiting for the... waiting. Again, load. Hintayin lang natin yan. Ito, this vlog is ka-vlog. No cut, raw lang. Bawal maarte. Kundi hanap yung sarili ng vlog. Kung kayong gusto nyo. Right? Joke lang yan. Feel free to comment. Alright. Para masarap, maraming paminta. Para masarap, maraming paminta. Alright. So, okay na siya. Sarap naman. Yan. Alright. Medyo discipline that I want. Ito yung gusto kong texture. I think we're going there. Let's have a taste test. Kulang sa alat. Ayos lang, one serving spoon kasi ako lang makakain ito eh. Tsaka siling. More patis. Konti lang. Kaya naman, baka magkaroon tayo ng kidney trouble. So, we'll reach kidney trouble water. Konting halo-halo. Make it siya. Kailangan natin mag-infuse yung flavor. Alright, this is your chef boy next door. Tarub. Leng at home. Leng at home. Yummy! Wala akong makitang talbos ng papaya, so kangkong ginamit ko. Put in the kangkong, and that's it. Make it fusion with the flavor. May tamaha mong tubig, sorry naman. Like I said, this is my version. Try it if you want. If you don't like, edi wow. Para may konting-konting buhay ng ating pagkain. Yan, maluto. Kangkong po yung ginamit ko na talbos ng ampalaya. Kasi hindi ako bitter. I'm happy. Gumagamit ng dahon ng ampalaya. They're the one who are bitter in life. Kasi napaka-bitter nga. Watching this my version of ginisang munggo with kangkong and pork belly. Right? Once again, Leng at home. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, magandang hapon. Welcome to Tarub at home. Today, I'm preparing kabayan, preparing ginisang munggo. Well, this is so first, there's the gloves.